Which dual drawer air fryer is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Ninja DZ201 Foodie. First up is the Ninja DZ201 Foodie, priced at $199.95. This one caught my eye because of its dual-zone technology that allows for 2 independent baskets. If you want to whip up a family meal without the hassle of cooking in batches, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Smart Finish feature means both dishes can finish cooking at the same time, so you won't be left waiting for one to catch up. Plus, the 6-in-1 functionality lets you air fry, roast, bake, reheat, and more, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. Users have rated it an impressive 4.8 stars with over 24,800 reviews, indicating it's a hit among buyers. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. But here's the thing, given the capacity and performance, it's a trade-off for convenience if you cook for a family. If you often have guests or kids to feed, this is perfect for you. This is perfect for you if you're someone who loves to cook for family or friends. Skip this one if your kitchen space is limited and you're looking for something more compact. Considering what it offers, the value is solid. Now, if the size of the Ninja bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more compact design. Product number 2, Ninja DZ550 Foodie. Next is the Ninja DZ550 Foodie, priced at $199.99. What really caught my attention here is the inclusion of a smart thermometer, which takes the guesswork out of cooking. If you're looking for precision in your meals, this one is definitely worth checking out. The 10-quart capacity means you can easily prepare meals for gatherings. With 30% faster cooking times compared to ovens, this air fryer is a real-time saver. The dual independent baskets mean you can prepare 2 dishes at once without worrying about overlapping flavors. It has a solid rating of 4.6 stars from 5,900 reviews, and more than 8,000 units sold recently shows it's gaining traction. Now, some users found the controls a bit tricky initially. But I'll be real with you, once you get the hang of it, the results are fantastic. If you're someone who enjoys experimenting in the kitchen, it won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want precise cooking results without the hassle. Skip this one if you're after a simple, straightforward air fryer. At this price, you really get a lot of functionality for your money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for smaller households. Product number 3, Chefman TurboFry Touch. The third option is the Chefman TurboFry Touch, which is a steal at $99.99. I love the idea of the shake reminder that helps you achieve that perfect crispy finish. If you're looking for a user-friendly and budget-friendly air fryer, this is worth a look. With a 9-quart capacity, it's great for families, allowing you to cook 2 different foods at once. The Sync Finish feature is a game changer, ensuring both baskets finish cooking at the same time, so you won't be stuck waiting for one dish to get done. It has a commendable rating of 4.4 stars with 2,500 reviews, which suggests it's quite popular among those who want quality without breaking the bank. Some users mentioned that the baskets could feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, as long as you handle it with care, it should hold up well and deliver delicious meals. This is perfect for you if you're new to air frying or on a budget. Skip this one if you need a more robust build for heavy-duty use. For the price and ease of use, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're looking for something that offers a bit more versatility, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 4, Chefman 6-quart Dual Basket. The fourth product is the Chefman 6-quart Dual Basket Air Fryer, priced at $99.99. The large viewing windows really stood out to me. They allow you to monitor your food without opening the baskets. If you want to keep an eye on your cooking progress, this one's worth considering. This air fryer gives you the option to cook different dishes simultaneously, thanks to its dual basket design. Its wide temperature range from 200 degrees F to 450 degrees F means you have flexibility in cooking various meals. The Sync Finish feature ensures everything is ready at the same time, which is perfect for busy cooks. With a solid rating of 4.2 stars from 4,400 reviews, it's definitely appealing. However, some users felt that the baskets could be a bit small for larger meals. But honestly, if you're cooking for a smaller household or just need it for snacks, it's not really an issue. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a bit of visual monitoring while cooking. Skip this one if you often need to prepare larger family meals at once. For its price, it's a great deal. Now, rounding out our list, we have a product that focuses on temperature control. Product number 5, Simple Deluxe 9 5QT. Last but not least is the Simple Deluxe 9 5QT Dual Basket Air Fryer, coming in at $88.79. What I found innovative is the dual-door design that makes it easier to manage different cooking temperatures. If you're into cooking multiple foods at once, this one's worth a serious look. With 10 preset functions, it simplifies cooking for everything from crispy fries to roasted veggies. The large family-friendly capacity means you can easily serve a crowd, and it has a pretty good rating of 4.4 stars with 1,000 reviews. It's been flying off the shelves with over 300 units sold in the past month. Now, some users mentioned that setup could be a bit tricky, especially with the dual-door mechanism. But here's the thing, once you get it figured out, it's a breeze to use and very efficient. This is perfect for you if you like to prepare multiple dishes with different cooking needs. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward design without the extra features. For the price and versatility, it's a fantastic choice. To wrap it up, we've covered some amazing dual-drawer air fryers. The Ninja DZ201 offers a great capacity for family meals, while the DZ550 adds precision with its thermometer. The Chefman TurboFry Touch is budget-friendly and user-friendly, and the Chefman 6-quart brings visual monitoring into the mix. Finally, the Simple Deluxe provides unique temperature control features. Choose what fits your cooking style best.